Okay, I have it all painted. So I did not record the process of me spraying this TV console because I didn't want my cameras exposed to the overspray and the fine dust. So I'll just explain to you what I did. And I used my Rockler HVLP system, I'll get with you in a minute, to spray 2 coats of primer and 3 coats of paint. This is a latex primer and a latex paint. And now on the inside here, I did use the wipe-on poly, which is the Min-Wax wipe-on poly. And then for the outside of it, I used the General Finish Armor Seal. I did 3 coats over top of the latex. I did let the latex paint dry or cure in my shop for 4 days. And it was about 77 to 80 degrees in here. It's actually still warm in here. But yeah, that's what I did. 2 doors, obviously, and with the soft close hinges. Okay. Now on Instagram, I did not install this door yet because I wanted to share this with you guys. On Instagram, some of you guys have asked me what my setup was for hanging the doors. I have the Fast Cap Euro FC. It's a finishing clip, and it's good for 40 pounds. Okay, and what you do is the clip goes into your 35 millimeter hole for your cup hinge. All right, and all I did is I have, hopefully you can see this, I have just an old curtain rod that it fits on there nice and neat. So by hanging the doors, I'm able to get all the sides when I'm spraying it instead of just one side, let it dry and flip it. Okay, so here on the top, I know you can't see it from that view. I'll put a picture in, I'll insert a picture, but I have a hole up here for the top, for the cable, for the TV to go down into the back. And tomorrow when I go to set this up, I'm also hooking up all the components. I'll drill holes in the back for the cables to go to the components. Okay, and it's just a cable box, a receiver, and a DVD player. So it's really nothing. So as far as air ventilation, I have these bumpers, these rubber bumpers on the top and bottom of the door. So when the door is closed, the door doesn't actually go against the face frame. There is a gap all the way around the door. So that'll let some air be drawn in. And then the holes I drilled in the back, they'll be oversized. I think that'll be plenty of ventilation for the components that are actually going in there. Okay, I think that's it. All I'm going to do is put this door on, one final check, make sure everything's good to go, and then wrap it up and deliver tomorrow morning.